Welcome back to Speak Hub. In our last episode, we explored the basics of tenses in English. Today, we're diving deeper into how verbs change forms across different tenses. Whether you're dealing with regular verbs like play or irregular ones like go, understanding these forms is essential for mastering English grammar. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident using both regular and irregular verbs in any tense.
Let's start with regular verbs. These verbs are straightforward, they follow a predictable pattern. To form the past tense of a regular verb, you simply add to the base form. For example, play becomes played, and jump becomes jumped. In the present tense, you use the base form, I play, you jump. In the future tense, it's as simple as adding will. I will play, you will jump. These rules make regular verbs a breeze to work with. Here's a table of regular verbs in different tenses. Now, let's talk about irregular verbs. Unlike regular verbs, these don't follow a standard pattern, so you'll need to memorize their forms. For example, go becomes went, buy becomes bought, and eat becomes ate. In the present tense, it's I go, I buy, and I eat for the future tense. Just like with regular verbs, you add will, I will go, I will buy, and I will eat. The key here is practice familiarizing yourself with these irregular forms over time. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about practical applications. If you're talking about your daily routine, like I play football every day, you're using a regular verb in the present tense. But if you're telling a story from the past, such as I went to the park yesterday, you're using an irregular verb. By knowing these rules, you'll be able to speak and write English more confidently. Try applying these in your conversations. Practice makes perfect.
To wrap up, remember that regular verbs follow a simple rule: just ed for the past tense. Irregular verbs, on the other hand, have unique forms that need to be memorized. But don't worry, with practice, you'll get the hang of it. In our next episode, we'll dive into some common English mistakes and how you can avoid them. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our daily lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow on Speak Hub.